A racing drone is typically the last place you want to start if you're learning to pilot a quadcopter. Camera drones like the DJI Mavic might be able to fly fast, but they're loaded with sensors and GPS to keep them stable in the air, avoid crashes and allow them to take off and land on their own or automatically return to you if you get into a sticky situation. You can even find some toy models with these capabilities. You'll find no such features on most racing drones because they're built for speed and agility, so you're mainly flying manually. That's fine if you know what you're doing, but it sucks for learning. Then you've got the costs. Whether you go with a ready-to-fly, RTF, model or have the soldering skills to DIY one, you're talking hundreds of dollars. Add on the cost of a controller, aka transmitter, and FPV goggles for flying by first-person view and you can go broke before your first flight, and inevitable crash. All of this is to say Fatshark, the leading maker of FPV goggles for drone racing, has put together a killer kit with everything you need to learn to fly a racing drone without the headaches, frustration or costs I just mentioned. Plus, it gives you room to upgrade.